The biggest feature in Sansu Inu history is coming next week. What can we expect from this feature called Dog Park, and how will it change Sansu Inu and his future forever? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. Dog Park, one of the most ambitious projects for a dog meme coin team, is going to be released by Sansu Inu on June 20th. If you haven't heard of Dog Park before, it's a project that the Sansu Inu team is adding to their site, which allows you to yield farm other dog tokens. So what would Dog Park actually look like? Well, it'd be a part of the site that you can actually stake tokens on. And so you can see here from an old tweet from Sansu Inu, they actually put out a teaser, which was blurred, but people found the actual copy of it online. We're excited to bring you the first sneak peek of our highly anticipated Dog Park yield farming project. And so let's take a look at the actual picture that they were putting in there, which was this one. And so you can see here, Dog Park single stake. Stake popular meme coins to earn new tokens. You can unstake at any time. Rewards are calculated per block. They have a couple example dogs here. Will these be the dogs that launch initially? We don't know. Could be, might not be. You can see here, it is a yield farming project where you can stake dog tokens and earn other dog tokens. Now there's tons of sites and farms to yield farm random tokens. But what makes this Dog Park feature huge is that no one has ever done it for dog tokens before, which means Sansu Inu would be the first. This would give them a huge leg up in the dog meme coin world, and they'd have a first mover advantage on the space. And a lot of times, when people stake with one farm, they just keep staking, which means that first mover advantage for keeping people is absolutely massive. And the other reason why this is huge is that by definition of the project, you would be staking and earning other dog tokens. So what does that mean? Think about it. Imagine Sheeb, Akita, and Kishu owners coming over to Sansu and staking their coins. Sansu Inu would gain followers from the other communities since they're actually coming over. And since those three coins have so much larger community bases, Sansu's ability to grow by multiples is right there. You could see Sansu Inu hold their account grow instantly on one day if that happened. It's such a big potential growth metric. So why do I think this big feature is coming out soon? Well, June 20th is the expected delivery date for this. Sansu Inu team has said this multiple times. But why do I think it's actually coming then, besides the date itself, which could be unreliable? Well, for Sansu Inu followers, the team has left a bunch of hints recently. And so not even a couple hours ago, they released this funny statement saying, "I feel like going to the park," with a funny face on it. And so that's on June 13th, which is today, and June 20th is the delivery date. So I don't think they would be teasing something like this if they were not confident they were going to release it literally next week. And the second thing they did recently was they updated their bio to actually put Dog Park coming soon. So they are trying to get people who are coming to their Twitter page, followers of Sansu, and then other people who are just interested in Sansu to see that Dog Park message and get excited about it. And the next thing they've been doing that signals that Dog Park will be coming soon is they introduced a lot of partnerships recently with other dog coins. And so they could see in this tweet, the Dog Pack PR call, formation of the Dog Pack partnership between, and then Sansu, Black Kishu, and Raku Coin. So they've been targeting partnerships with other dog coins recently. And will these be the first coins that go on Dog Park that signals that other dog coins will go on too? I don't know, but it seems very coincidental that they're just now launching a bunch of partnerships right before the initial release of a feature that requires a lot of partnerships with dog coins. And finally, in this AMA not too long ago, one of the members of the Sansu team left this statement saying that only the UI is basically left and the actual complex part of it has been already written, the actual yield farming part. And so I'm a developer, and if the dev was able to create the complex code to actually safely and efficiently do the yield farming, then the UI would have been easy for them to finish within the next couple of weeks. And so this statement especially made me confident that Dog Park will be coming soon. So I am extremely pumped, but I do want to cover some of the risks of this project, and nothing ambitious does not have risks involved. It's just the way it works. So the biggest one, the delivery date could get pushed back, right? So I don't think this is likely, but anyone in the software field knows this is not constant in terms of actually being able to deliver on dates. And it was already slated for May, if you didn't know, and then got pushed back to June. Will it get pushed back again? Only time will tell. And another one is, so far, the team has only shown very little info / mock-ups on how the product is working in beta. So we had this screenshot, but we didn't see any videos or any even GIFs of it. It's really just a screenshot, probably just a UI mock-up. And this is not a deal breaker, of course. But obviously, if you only see early screenshots of it, then you know it's being worked on, but you don't know how far in the development process it's gone. But maybe they just wanted to stay secret, especially the partnership side, until the marketing picks up this week. So again, none of these points are deal breakers in any sense, but when looking at crypto projects, it's always good to stay realistic. So in conclusion, I am super excited about Dog Park. I think more than any other dog feature I've been in the past. If it works as released, it will revolutionize the dog meme coin field. And just like dog teams that partner with real world applications to use their coins, like Dogecoin partner with the Mavericks and Kishu partner with a bunch of businesses to actually accept Kishu coin, adding an important level to the use case of dog coins, Sansu Inu's Dog Park will take it even further as an important DeFi mechanism in the space of dog meme coins. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this news and research. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel to get alerted when breaking news comes out, and I'll see you in the next episode.